Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Duolingo app. As you can see here, I have an Android phone opened. You can do this as well on your iOS device. The steps are similar. Now on Android, just go ahead and tap on Play Store to open it up. If you're using iOS, just go ahead and open up your respective app store. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and make use of the search function. If you can't see Duolingo right here in the recommended apps, all right? So just tap on search. Then again, the search function and type in Duolingo. All right. Once that's done, there will be a drop down. From here, you can just go ahead and tap on Duolingo. And as you can see here, Duolingo is available. Just go ahead and hit on install right here to install it. If you want to install it to a different phone, just go ahead and tap on the drop down right here. As you can see, it will list all of your available phones. You can just go ahead and select whichever phone you wanted to install the app as well. All right. I'll say, for example, I'm just going to hit on install right here. Just basically wait for it to finish installing. All right, as you can see here, it's done. So you'll have the option to open it right away. If not, go back to the home screen and locate the app right here. Just go ahead and tap and hold and move it to your home screen so that you can easily locate it later. All right here. Let's try to open it up and just get started. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.